A dental implant is one of the most advanced and reliable ways to replace a missing tooth, restoring both your smile and your confidence. Here's how the process works. First, a small titanium post is gently placed into the jawbone. This post acts as an artificial root, providing a strong and stable foundation. Over the next few months, the implant naturally fuses with the bone, a process called osseointegration. Once it's fully healed, a custom-made crown is attached on top, perfectly matching your natural teeth in shape and color. The result? A beautiful, permanent tooth replacement that looks, feels, and functions just like a real tooth. After your implant is placed, proper aftercare is key. Maintain good brushing and flossing habits, avoid hard or sticky foods while healing, and schedule regular dental visits to monitor the implant and surrounding gums. With proper care, dental implants can last a lifetime. If you've lost a tooth or are considering a more stable solution than dentures, contact Leslie North Dental today to book your personalized implant consultation and take the first step toward restoring your smile with confidence.